everybody. We are in a townhouse in Henderson. This townhouse is great. It's a 2-story. It does have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's $225,000.
This home has a great balcony, which is right off of the primary bedroom, where you can enjoy either your morning coffee or your evening wine, whatever you choose. We also have this beautiful fireplace in here, and the community has a small park.
It's a great location. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you guys inside. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this property. It's a great location in Henderson, and it's also right by Cadence.
And the HOA is $274, which includes that park. You're conveniently located in Henderson near the historic Water Street. The Galleria Mall is nearby, the 215 and 95 freeway is nearby, and there's also a Target and Sprouts.
So let's go ahead and recap. This property has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's also by Cadence. They do have a lovely park and a playground and a lake for you to enjoy as well. So if you like this property, our information is right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We are here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.